Welcome back. A big relief now that is coming in the way for Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah with regards to the Muda case. In a significant ruling, the court there has dismissed the petition seeking the transfer of the case to the CBI, as the court's summary of findings confirmed that the Lokayukta operates with full independence and it is neither lopsided nor partisan. Let's bring in Deepak live with us on this development that is now coming across as a big relief to the Chief Minister there of Karnataka, Deepak, because this matter has been under judicial review for several hearings, and today's decision that over to the CBI, not the court, has decided against it.
Well, like you mentioned, absolutely a big relief coming in for the Karnataka Chief Minister, because one of the biggest contentions of the opposition here has been that the Lokayukta cannot do an unpartisan investigation in this particular case, a non-partisan investigation, primarily because here, the police wing, of course, is appointed by the state government, and they've been demanding a CBI investigation will be a fair one in this particular case. The matter, of course, has been, going on in the court for the last few weeks. Right now, the court delivering its verdict, dismissing the petition to transfer the case or the investigation to the CBI here. What is even more important, like you mentioned, the court here has observed that the material that has been put on record in the court does not indicate in any manner that, the investigation that has been done by the Lokayukta up until now is either partisan or lopsided. They've also here considered various issues, in which cases in the past have courts really transferred cases from one investigative agency to the other. And here, they have also here indicated that in this particular instance, the Lokayukta operates with independence. That was another question that was in front of the court. So two big aspects to take away here, that the Lokayukta works with independence, and the other, a big relief for the Karnataka Chief Minister, who's been under pressure from the opposition in the Muda Rao. If the CBI took over the matter, that would have been fresh trouble for him, with the ED already investigating it. Right now, it looks like it's only going to be the Lokayukta, which has already, of course, submitted a report in this case, that will be investigating this matter.
All right. A significant ruling in the Muda case. Deepak, thank you very much for joining in. The court there dismissing the petition seeking the transfer of the case to the CBI, as the court's summary of findings confirmed that the Lokayukta, which operates with full independence, is neither lopsided nor partisan. This decision is coming across as a big relief to the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. With that, we head into a short break.